Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to set a daily reminder on your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, open the reminders apps. You should see a list of reminders. If not, don't worry. To create a new reminder, tap add new reminder, enter a title like tomorrow, then optional, add more details by tapping more details. So tap date and time like this, choose today as the start date, set the time, let's say 2 p.m. The most important step, tap repeat and select daily. Tap repeat and set daily. This makes the reminders repeat every day at 2 p.m. until you delete it. Once you save, your iPhone will remind you every day at the same time. You can view all reminders in the app. I hope this video helped. If it did, please like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.